Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will be learning about the Microsoft Azure storage accounts. So basically you'll be having an idea what is storage accounts actually. So whatever the data or the any kind of data we want to store into something, we need a containers, right? We need something to hold that data. So to hold that data, to keep that data safe, we use storage accounts in Microsoft Azure. So here, basically, we need to create storage account, and in that, they provide four services. Those are blob storage, file shares, table storage, and queue storage. And in this video, we will be discussing about the blob storage. This will be the part one, and in the next upcoming videos, I'll be making the videos on file shares, tables, and queues. And so for now, we will be going with the blob storage. And this video covers creating a storage account, creating a container where you'll be uploading your blobs. So blob is nothing but a data. I mean, it could be any kind of data. It could be audio, video, files, text documents, anything. It could be anything. That is called as blob. So we will be uploading the blobs and how to access it, how to share it with anyone. So this is how we will be learning in this video. So let's begin with this. So as you all got to know what is the storage accounts here. So this will be your global search, and here we'll be searching for the storage accounts. So these are the recent services that I have used. So these are presented over here. But if it's not present in your Azure service, you can just go with the global search and type over there, and you go with, yeah. So here you can refresh. So here we will be creating a new storage account. So just click on new and give it anything. So as we are creating it, I'll be writing it as storage account. Yeah, so done. Next, going with the storage account. So this has to be very unique because this is across the Azure, so that if you give any name and that is similar to any other storage account name, so that will be mixed up and we do not know which account is containing what content. So this for this reason we'll be giving a very unique name. So I am giving this storage account. Okay, so this will be my region. And next, do not touch this, just go on next. I think we have some issue here. Give me a second. So yeah, let me enter it one more time. Just if you're getting any error over here, you just have to refresh the page here, so you'll get on that. Okay, fine. Do not touch all this, just go on next. You have to click on this. I will explain you later what is this exactly anonymous access we are using. Then go down, select it as hot. As you can see, we have three access tiers, that is hot, cool, and cold. So hot is optimized for frequently accessed data. That is if you're accessing your data very frequently, that is one time a day or twice in a week or something like that. So in that case you have to use hot. So the cool is something like infrequently, that is you're going to access your data in 1 month, once in 1 month, or twice in 6 months, or something like that. So cold is you have kept it somewhere and you're rarely accessing your data. So now we will be going with hot. And next, yeah, okay, this is enabled from all networks. So this you can share your containers, I mean your blobs, to anyone with the URL, so that anyone can see your pictures or whatever the data you have uploaded. If you select this, that will be only restricted to your virtual machine. If you are creating a virtual machine, then you can also I mean the URL will only work within that VM machine. No other network from external can view your data. So this we will be seeing in next video. So keep everything as it is, just click on next, and restore, keep it as it is, just go out, and then yeah, so click review plus create. It will take a while. Once you get this, click on create. You can see here it's initializing the deployment over here. Now it's submitting the deployment. This is the notification bar. You can just see whatever is going on here. And now, as you can see, the deployment is in progress. So once your deployment is completed, click on go to resource. I think my internet is very slow and it's taking a lot of time. But yeah, I'm sorry. Something is open here. Of time. So as you can see here, this is the overview of your, so see, you can see here, we are in BITM storage account, right? So yeah, so this will be your storage account, and there, when you scroll down to your left hamburger, you'll find the container option here. As you can see, as I have explained you, we have four services inside data storage. That is the storage account, that will be your containers, file shares, queues, tables. So for now, we will be going to learn about containers in this part, and in the next parts, we'll be going to learn about file shares, queues, and tables. So for now, click on containers. So container is nothing but something which is holding all your files, data, a basic meaning of container, which holds the items or anything, any physical items. So this will be your logs. This will be by default. So logs is nothing but, you can see whoever has opened your URL, or just see like who has visited your data or URL, and you can see at what time and who has visited. So this will be your logs. And now we will be clicking on container. First we went with the creation of storage accounts. Next we are going into the containers, and now you have to give your container name. So I'll give it as container. Okay, just container one. That will be easy to understand. It's container anonymous data access for containers and blobs. So nothing, just click on create. If something happens, we'll proceed and check what we can do there. So you can see your container is created now. Click on the container. So we are now inside the container. You can see here, this is your container. Inside storage account, this is your container. And now inside this, we are going to upload. So this will be your container. You can upload anything. You can see the option here, upload. So just click on uploads. It will be asking you to drag and drop your files. It will redirect to your local host. Then just go. Okay, you can just click on this image, click open, and you can see one file is selected, that is image1.jpg. Just click on upload, and now your image is uploaded, as you can see here. Now click on here, refresh your page. I'm sorry, it's taking a while. Yeah, you can see here. So my image is uploaded. Click on the image. Here you can see the URL. So just copy this URL, and next go to any new tab, Control V and enter. So guys, see, you can see here the XML file doesn't appear to have any style information. So basically it means you don't have access to the data or image I have uploaded here. So why this is happening? Because we did not give access to everyone to view this. So that is why it's private, just like your Insta accounts where you have some private accounts, and the images uploaded by you will be private. So the same thing happening here. So just to disable this, go to overview. Okay, come back to home. Just come back to home, or go to your BITM21 or whatever the storage account that you have created. And now here you can see blob anonymous access. Just click on this, open, it's enabled. So guys, we are in the container now. Just click on upload. So guys, okay, before going to this, just we can go with this. So guys, we are in the what we call container, and here you can just click on the upload, go to your local host, select any of the picture. Blob could be anything. It could be images, files, audio, video, or anything. Just click on it, click on upload. You can see here the image is uploaded now. So just now refresh your page. You will find the item that you have. Just a second, it's still getting uploaded. So you can see uploading the blob. It will take a minute. Okay. So yeah, you got it here. So now opening this, see, I am copying the URL now. I am going into the new tab and pasting that URL and clicking on it. See, you cannot do it because you don't have access to this image. This is because you have not, I mean, the image is restricted. It's just like your Instagram accounts, which is private, right? Which is completely private. So the images that you upload are only restricted to yourself and the people who you're following or they are following. That's it. So this is the same thing happening here. So for this, let's just go to access. Yeah, you can see here change access level. So click on blob. So okay. So let's copy it one more time. Copy. Go here. Click on the URL. Enter. You can see the image here. See, you can see the image here. So if you want to restrict, just change your access tier, right? And now you can see the image loading here. So this is all about your blobs. So you can upload any kind of file here. There is no any restrictions. And to keep it private, just change your access tiers, which is present here. And if you want to keep it private, just click on private. So that will be your thing, right? So this is there, and make sure before ending your Microsoft Azure or any of the cloud platform, you make sure to delete the resources or whatever that you have uploaded or used. So here, just click on delete, it's deleted, right? Guys, you can also go here in the logs and also checks. You had logs here, right? Before deleting this, you can just go there, check whatever, I mean, whoever has entered your blob or has seen your images or anything here. This will be your logs. For now, it's not there because I have not shared it with anyone. So if you share it with any other person, if they view it, you'll be getting to know about it. Okay, just delete these containers. Let the logs be as it is. Click on delete and you're confirming your delete and done. Now go back. As you have created a resource group, as I told you that anything you create will be stored in the resource group. So just go into your, so you cannot see any containers here, right? So now you will be going to your overview, or you could just go and search your resource group. So just resource groups. Yeah, click on it. Now you're in your, I'm sorry, I just got a mistake. It's a storage account, so you did not create any resource group. I mean, it's also a resource group, but it's inside the storage accounts. I'm so sorry for that. So yeah, just coming here, click on this, or you could click here and here click on delete. You have to enter your storage account name, that is my bitm21, and confirm your deletion. This will take a while and then delete it. Once you are done, refresh the page. You will not find any of the, so refresh it once again. I think it's still going on. Yeah, done. So now you don't have any of the storage accounts now. So it's clear, right? Yeah. So this is the recent one. So this will not be included. This is deleted, but it's just showing that you have. See, you don't have the access to delete button because it's already deleted. So that's it for this. In part 2, we will be going to learn about the file sharing. That is one of the service inside the data storage, which is under the storage accounts. Thank you.